Hi, my name is Matt Blair, Operations Manager for Qube Technologies. I'm responsible for deploying and maintaining Qube's suite of Axon continuous gas monitoring devices.
Qube is a low-cost, continuous monitoring solution to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. We use artificial intelligence and machine learning to locate, quantify, and classify leaks. Our continuous monitoring technology finds leaks faster when they occur. This allows operators to fix leaks faster, leading to improved environmental performance and greater emissions reductions. Today we are installing several Qube Axon devices at Acceleware's Marwayne RFXL pilot facility. We are very excited to be a part of this endeavor.
Qube was selected as our partner to provide their unique continuous emission monitoring technology, as they are a leading-edge company who shares many of Acceleware's values and commitment to ESG. The devices Qube has deployed for us at the Marwayne site will measure performance data for us for the duration of the pilot. The system captures methane, VOC, H2S, NO2, and local meteorological conditions for us to monitor remotely through their cloud-based platform in a dashboard format.